First time this year. 81 degrees since the winter. Day outside. Where are you going? Another guys. Here he is. This is Josephina. Josephina! Hi! Soaking up the sun. And this is Shanahan. Soaking up the sun. He's really soaking up the sun. Josephina! Hi! And Ranger! What a happy boy. And this is everything else. There's the jet skis, the boat. I think that's where I'm going to put my cage. Right there. Thank you. Hey, Ranger. Hey. What are you doing? Don't do that. You're not going to have water. Hey. Don't do that. You're not going to have water. And I think I have allergies. Hey, Joey. That's Ranger. See? Hey. Hi. I'll bite. Here you go. Yeah. See? Hi. How you doing? You like the outside? And that's Fuzzy. Where's Fuzzy? Right there. See? That's Fuzzy, that little flying thing. There's Fuzzy. Ranger! Yeah, you happy? You happy to be out? You happy? I put the towels over there because the sun might blaze there and I don't want them to overheat. So if they want shade, they go over there. Including these guys, my little ones. If they want shade, they go over there. Hey, don't do that. Hey, you? How you doing? Are you happy? Ranger, what you doing? What you doing? Huh? If you spill that, you're not going to have water. And then you're going to be thirsty. Where you going? See? I chose to go over there. Where you going? Okay. Now I'm going to go get my little guy inside.